Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how you can create this parametric bench. First I'll tell you, yes, we will use the Rhino and we will export it into the Revit. So let's get started. After you open Rhino, just choose the spline and let's create our profile of our bench. In the right view, now I will create some few controls to get shape like future bench. So now I'll delete some controls to get more real shape. Just play around with your profile before we'll continue that, and when you will happy of your profile, just don't touch it, and let's make the other things. So when you have done your profile, let's go to perspective view. We will make our view to shaded because we want to see our geometry, and I will use command array liner. So I will make the 5 copies, and now I will extrude to the left side. After that all, just when you're happy, just select everything and use command loft. Now you cannot change anything, just let's choose our only curve, and now we can change the shape, and our geometry also will change, as you see now. Anyway, we get the chair. It looks like parametric, but we wanna make the slice. So for that one, let's use command contour, and now you just need to choose the one side and the other side. Let's do it from this side to the other one. Let's make like 150 between them, and as you see, we get our contour. So for this, let's hide our geometry and select all profiles, extrude by curve, yes. So we need to choose the right direction, this left side, and make the distance like 100. So we will have the gap between of them like 50. So this is what I want now. And now we just will select everything. We'll go to the file and export selected. Here's one, and after that just choose your location, and we will export like bench set file. So let's save it. So set file able to change the type. It's we can save like furniture or something else. So let's import it. Let's go to the insert, import cards, our bench, and let's open it. Just a second, where is it? Let's unselect that box. So let's select everything, filter, uncheck, and furniture. As you see, this is under my building. So let's move it like this, and as you see, this is our chair. Let's show box again, and now we can rotate it and put somewhere where you want. As you see, this is one of the best way how you can get a parametric bench just using the Rhino, because if you will use the Dynamo, it will take so long time.